Guys, it's Rachel here and welcome back for another video. Today is swap number 3 with my friend Navasha from What's Going On here on YouTube, and I am way behind, so I think I'm going to be sending her a twofer package. But for the third project, we made these little, or we're supposed to be making, she's got it done, these pocketbooks, these tiny pocketbooks. And this is an idea that I came across from no, not Tiny Treasures, Treasure Books, Natasha at Treasure Books. Some of you may be familiar with her already, but I'm going to put a link down in the description if you want to check it out to see about making one for yourself if you're interested. So Navasha ended up having to send my swap or her swap to me ahead of time. So I'm going to have to do our second swap and the third one now. But to be fair, it's I'll put up a couple pictures of what I have left to reboot in the craft room and you will understand. So in any case, it's taken a little bit longer than I intended, but it's all going to be really good in the end. So anywho, so I just got the package today, so I'm going to take it out. I have not seen it yet. I figured I'd wait and share it with you guys. Ooh, but it feels like a lot of goodness here. Wow, she made this quick. Because, like, we just decided what was going to be the third swap. We're trying to alternate. You know, I picked the first one, she did the second one, I picked this one, and then I'll see what she's going to pick for the fourth one. But in any case, all right, here we go. And again, these are tiny pocketbooks. So I'm trying to get it out without damaging anything. Ooh, I love it already. I haven't even fully seen it. Okay, let's see the note. She says, probably you're like, WTF, how are you done so quickly? Yeah, no, I'm not shocked. Not with you. But she said, don't know. And she said, here you go, girl. I left some spaces so you can make this yours. Hope you like it. Yes, I do. I do, Navasha. I like it very much. So now I'm going to share with everybody and see fully exactly why. Because look at that. That is gorgeous. Oh, and I love the R. Thank you. Honestly, this is like the freaking bomb, man. I feel like your previous one was like the prequel. Because actually the colors would kind of match a little bit here. So yeah, that's like this little tassel attached onto the side with like the multicolor. Let me hold this up. I changed the desk layout a little bit. I'm trying to remember where the camera is. So let me keep it down where the light is. Yeah, oh wow. That is really pretty. Love, 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 love. And I like the clusters. Looks like a bouquet of buttons. And good job sewing. I'm not even going to hazard a guess what mine's going to look like. I'm just going to go for it and not think about it. But anyway, yeah, I like this. This is like a denim fabric that she used, and oh man, yeah, this is really good. And I like the fabric on the inside. Not sure if it was the lining that was with it. Looks like it, but could be the two pieces put together. They work. Love it. And then the pages. And then we have, I think these are just pages. Yeah, foolish, unsure about the appropriateness of one's notions or speech, showing or resulting from a lack of good sense or judgment. That is, I like that quote. That's like my day every day. Yeah, never know about what's gonna come out of my mouth, but that is priceless. That is like the perfect quote. Yeah, this is so much fun. These are like transparent embellishment stickers. Love it. Yeah, you really put this together quick, but damn, did this come out good. I don't like to use too many cursey words, but sometimes you just gotta. 'Cause, yeah. I guess I could have said dang, but, you know, too late. So here we go. Got little pockets. And you know, Navasha, I think you just did a huge stash busting, little mini stash busting project using up scraps. Look at those. Oh, man. And I'm digging all the ribbon. That is awesome. You know, I felt like maybe this was going to be a challenge, but I'm thinking not so much. I think you nailed it. So, yeah, clearly, you guys, if anybody is interested in doing a little project like this, I say go for it. So, I'm going to actually film what I'm going to do, but of course, it will not go up until after you get it, Navasha. Well, it'll be the two things now, but because this is just too fun. Oh my gosh. This is like the ultimate tiny, like it's like a mini pocket junk journal. This is so freaking awesome. And I like it's got the pages in there mixed in with the pockets, the little pocket sections. And I like the clip. Perfect, because that is, like you said in your note, yeah, I can totally add to this. And I like that clip can add extra little things to tuck in there. But I'm making yours first, so don't worry. I won't play around with this until after you got yours. Because it's only fair. I like the little flower. That's cute. I love all the colors. I really do. This is just awesome. Oh yeah. This is going to be so much fun. Love it. Love it. Love it. I'm trying to remember to speak because this is actually filming. Right? Oh my gosh. Love all these pockets. This is like the cat's meow. That's a more appropriate word. I'm just playing around with it. I am enjoying the reveal because this is so dang cute. Oh my god, this is Navasha, seriously, this is freaking awesome. Like all these little details, like she looks like she did a little heart out of fabric. Some more embellishments. I like the little photo of the forest. It's so eclectic, and that's what I really like. Eclectic is a really good word. It means some of this, some of that. To not be a word nerd, but yeah, eclectic is a good word for me. And I like it. And I enjoy it. And I'm enjoying your eclectic. This is seriously, it's like, where do you look first, right? That is so cute. Like all the little details that get added on here that you put onto the paper clip and the little punch outs or die cuts. And then all the fun tags that you cut out. Because some of them look like they're by hand and some look like utilized from like a pack of paper. And here's like another pocket. I really like that. You know, I think we have a similar taste in papers because I'm recognizing a bunch that I think I have in my stash. Like in your last book, the teal and black one. I know that's got to be the Love from Lizzie paper because I still have some left. I want to do a card making session with it for a stash busting video, but that may have to wait until after. And, you know, don't even get me started on all the stuff I have from my friend Dawn from the Shiny Silver Treasures. I feel like I'm like, oh yeah, you know, I've made all this stuff and yeah, you know, I can't have that much left. Yeah. So if you ever wondered if Dawn's stuff is value for money, man, yes. And I'll show you after I get back. So I'm going to be out of town, which is why it's been nutty cuckoo too, trying to get stuff done. I love it. Oh my god, this is awesome. But yeah, this is just seriously amazing. And I feel like I can combine some of all my leftovers and make this. I'm a little sketchy on this sewing, but maybe this will prompt me. So I really need to sit down and figure it out because I feel pretty sure once I get the hang of it, I can do fun little addition things like this, like sewing for the fabric and just sewing onto cards or whatever. I mean, there's a ton of ideas I'm sure we all have seen left, right, and center for utilizing little stitchings. But this is fun. This is like my brain is whirling. Like, I know it sounds like I'm just talking out loud, but in the background in my brain, it's like, oh my God, I could do this, and I could do this, and I could do that. I'm just trying not to let it puke out of my mouth because it could get this conversation confusing. Oh my God, this is so much freaking fun, Navasha. Seriously. So, yeah. So you have some time then to plot what is our next move. This is so dang fun. Honest to God, I am in love with all these colors. This is absolutely incredible. I have a feeling this will be the last thing I'm going to be flipping through before I go to bed tonight. Because I'm looking at it and I'm seeing it, but like, I don't think I'm going to be able to take in all of it on the first go. But I don't want to keep, flipping through it back and forth. Otherwise, this video might be like 2 hours long. This is just freaking awesome. And I love the little cat clip. Little cat clip. There's just so much to see here. This is amazing. Okay, let me put that back. Seeing what you did with this, I'm like doubly glad I happened to see this video and picked it, because my God, girlfriend, you knocked this one out of the park. I feel like I'm doing this completely wrong. Okay, Kitty's going to be a little bit upside down. Kitty's going to have to be okay with that. And then, oh, a little pocket. All right. Little additions that I can add on here. The pocket and these little tags. I love it. It's Pooh. Gotta love Winnie the Pooh. And I'm trying really hard to leave the stuff where I found it right now. All right, we got a little acetate jug and some paper doily. That is so cute. I love that color. Wow. I know I'm going silent because, like, I'm just focusing on what I'm saying. I'm sorry. I'm being bad. And I like the belly band there for a tuck spot. That is really freaking cute. This really is just, it's amazing. I like that little wooden tag with some ribbon. And we got some more tuck spots. We got a ticket. Like, my brain, seriously, if you guys could hear the chatter going on in the back of my head, you might be scared. Because it's just like, oh man, all of a sudden, it's just going to town. All the ideas this has sparked. This is really amazing. So, guys, if you're interested in doing this, like I said, I'll find the link to Natasha at Treasure Books. This was her idea. And again, like the last one, I think when I was talking about Tim Holtz, don't know her other than watching her videos. I'm not a sponsor or anything, but she is absolutely hilarious and absolutely amazing at what she does. So that is the source of this inspiration for our swap. So, Navasha, I can only hope I do this justice in what you get for me. So if it doesn't quite work out the way I'm kind of thinking I would like it to go, hopefully you can find it in your heart to forgive me, my friend. I tried. So on that note, I'm going to just set this aside because I'll just want to sit and pet it all night, and then I will get nothing done. So thank you, Navasha. This is absolutely amazing. And we will definitely be doing the next round, the back and forth, because this is just so much fun. This is too good. Oh man. So I'm glad you enjoyed this project. So lay it on me for the next one. Don't worry. Don't feel you have to be kind to me. Because now, like I said, we're 2 for 0. God, I have some work to do. And yeah, I'm going to have to get on it. So anyway, thank you guys so much for enjoying this moment with me. Or laughing at me, whatever the case may be, because it is hilarious. And I feel okay about it. So take care, stay safe, and I will definitely be seeing you in swap number 4. All right, take care, guys. See you in the next round.